I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, so my son-in-law got these really, I call them groovy leather kits from a friend of his. Got this leather adapter case, really old. I mean, it's probably from the 70s or 80s. It said 99 cents, so it's pretty old. We got a boot key case, like that boot. That's crazy. Case for a checkbook. A pocket protector, pocket saver kit. A swivel knife sheath. This is for the leather kit itself. And then a comb case kit. That's pretty groovy. Let's see, and then one of my favorites. This is one of those fancy wristwatches. A case for that, or a strap for it. But what we're going to do today is a trucker pen holder. It's not very useful, but my other son-in-law drives a truck, so I'll make that for him. So let's clean up this mess and see what we can make out of all this stuff. Okay, so we got everything out here. We got the different pieces of leather it's going to be used to put it together with. We got the leather straps here. It was inspected by number 36. That makes it fancy. And we got the instructions to include these little snaps that go in it somewhere. So let's get going and see how the instructions are laid out. Those aside, we're going to start by stitching the inner piece onto the back. To line up all these holes, and then start with about 2 inches of this sticking out the back, and then just sewing in and out, in and out, in and out to the bottom, and then filling in the spaces, going in and out to the back. So we'll try that. Okay, we got the first line of stitching done. You can see there's a gap in between each hole. When we stitch it back, it'll fill in those gaps. Don't go to the bottom hole. That bottom hole will be used to put this outer piece on. So let's finish it up. Okay, we got the back finished here. Now all we have to do is tie it off. Okay, and now let's stitch the outside. Okay, they come with a little special flat needle that attaches to the end of the leather. So I got that attached already. And it's very long, so it's going to be really annoying. I had to shape this inner piece because it's actually much wider than the back piece, so you can get your pencils in there. So it sticks out pretty good. So now we just got to do the stitching, which I've learned how to do by following these instructions. So let's see if we can get the stitching done. Okay, we've got down where it said 6 holes, and now we need to add the front piece. What we need to do is line up all the holes and continue stitching. Okay, we've got it all laced up. Now we're just going to kind of get the stitches to lay straight. Okay, there we go. I had to take this thing apart about 4 times at least because I could not figure out how they were doing the double loop stitch. But I finally figured it out. I also cut the piece of lace in half because it was just too long to handle. It was at least 6 feet long and I just could not handle that, so I cut it, and I had to learn how to make a splice. It didn't turn out the best, but it looks okay, I guess. So that's done. So now we've got to put on this strap so it hangs around your belt or whatever. So you can go to, yeah, something like this. So let's get that done, find the parts, and we'll get started with it. There we go. Might not have been the right way to do it, but it got on there. And it's definitely not coming apart. Now all we need to do is put the snap on. So all in all, I'd say this little kit wasn't too bad. Tandy Leather Company, which is funny, is I went online to watch a video to double check how to do this back stitch and to learn how to do a splice stitch, and Tandy Leather Company was the video I watched. And the guy there showed me exactly how to do this right. Had no idea I was using Tandy Leather Company product and watching their video to learn how to make it. That's kind of cool. Well, thanks for watching.